Electric bikes are getting better every year, and the 2026 models are more powerful, smarter, and more exciting than ever. From lightweight city bikes to adventure-ready off-road rides, these e-bikes offer impressive speed, longer battery life, and advanced features. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Now, let's explore 15 amazing electric bikes you can buy in 2026. The Also TMB Launch Edition is a smart electric bike built for riders who want both innovation and flexibility. Instead of using a traditional gear system, it features the advanced Dream Drive pedal-by-wire technology, delivering smooth and responsive power through electronic controls. Its unique modular frame allows you to switch between different frame setups in just seconds, making it perfect for daily commuting, carrying cargo, or weekend rides. The removable 808 watt-hour smart battery offers reliable range and consistent performance. Front and rear suspension provide a comfortable ride, even on rough roads, while hydraulic disc brakes with regenerative braking improve both safety and efficiency. A large touchscreen display, built-in GPS, LED lights, USB-C charging, smartphone connectivity, and wireless software updates make this e-bike ready for today's needs and tomorrow's technology. The Anio-K A9 Pro Max is built for riders who want maximum power, incredible range, and dependable performance on any terrain. It features dual direct drive motors that produce up to 6,000 watts of combined peak power, delivering rapid acceleration and excellent hill climbing ability. Its high-capacity 60-volt battery, available in 70 Ah or 80 Ah versions, can provide an impressive pedal assist range of up to 245 miles under ideal conditions. The strong 6061 aluminum frame is paired with massive 26 x 4.8-inch puncture-resistant fat tires, front air suspension, and adjustable rear suspension for a smooth ride on rough trails. A Shimano 7-speed gear system, powerful hydraulic brakes with oversized 300mm rotors, a 5-inch Bluetooth display, USB charging, integrated lights, cruise control, and a payload capacity of up to 500 pounds make this e-bike ready for both adventure and everyday use. The Cybervol EK9 2.0 is built for riders who want power, speed, and versatility. Whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring rough off-road trails, this e-bike is ready for the challenge. Its high-performance rear hub motor delivers up to 5,000 watts of peak power and 120 Nm of torque, providing fast acceleration and excellent hill climbing ability. Depending on the battery you choose, it can travel up to 120 miles on a single charge under ideal conditions. The durable aluminum alloy frame, dual crown suspension fork, oversized 26 x 4-inch fat tires, and hydraulic disc brakes ensure a smooth, stable, and confident ride. A Shimano 7-speed gear system, bright LCD display, LED lights, rear cargo rack, adjustable seat, IP54 water resistance, and 400-pound payload capacity make it perfect for everyday use and outdoor adventures. The Forest Summit FS is built for riders who love tackling rough trails and exploring the outdoors with confidence. It's powered by the Bafang M620 Ultra mid-drive motor, delivering up to 500 watts of peak power and an impressive 160 Nm of torque for strong hill climbing and smooth performance. A removable 1,000 watt-hours UL-certified battery provides a riding range of up to 45 miles under ideal conditions, with an optional range extender available for even longer adventures. Its durable 6061 aluminum frame, 4-bar rear suspension, air suspension fork, and oversized 26 x 4-inch fat tires offer outstanding comfort and traction on challenging terrain. A Shimano Dior 10-speed drivetrain, hydraulic disc brakes, torque and cadence sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, a full-color display, and optional upgrades for suspension, lighting, and cargo make this e-bike ready for serious off-road adventures. The KOSMOS Hubless e-bike brings a fresh and futuristic look to urban transportation. Its eye-catching hubless front wheel isn't just for style, it helps improve stability by lowering the bike's center of gravity and reducing wind resistance for a smoother ride. Designed for city commuters, it features a fast folding system that lets you fold the bike in around 10 seconds, making it easy to carry or store in small spaces. A powerful mid-drive motor, built-in gearbox, and carbon belt drive delivers smooth, quiet performance while requiring very little maintenance. Wide tubeless, puncture-resistant tires provide extra comfort and reliability, while the front V-brake and rear disc brake offer strong stopping power. A built-in digital display and smartphone app keep you updated with ride data, making every trip smarter and more enjoyable. The Lectric Express 2 is designed to make everyday riding more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable. It comes in both commuter and cruiser versions, allowing you to choose between a sporty riding style or a more relaxed, upright position. A quiet 750-watt Stealth M24 rear hub motor delivers up to 1,310 watts of peak power for quick acceleration and smooth performance. The 48-volt, 672 watt-hour battery offers a riding range of up to 60 miles under ideal conditions. Riders can switch between torque sensor and cadence sensor pedal assist, with 5 riding modes to match different roads and riding styles. An SR Suntour suspension fork, Shimano Altus 8-speed gears, hydraulic disc brakes, puncture-resistant tires, integrated lights with turn signals, a removable 3.5-inch TFT color display, USB-C charging, and UL-certified safety complete this feature-packed e-bike. The Myhogo Zone is a compact electric bike that combines long-range performance, smart technology, and everyday practicality. Its aerospace-grade magnesium alloy frame is lightweight, strong, and built for city commuting, weekend adventures, or carrying cargo. The rear hub motor delivers up to 1,000 watts of peak power and 130 Nm of torque, providing quick acceleration and excellent climbing performance. Riders can choose between single or dual battery options, with the larger setup offering an impressive range of up to 171 miles under ideal conditions. Dual torque sensors and a Shimano 7-speed gear system create a smooth and natural riding experience. Hydraulic disc brakes, front suspension, and puncture-resistant 20-inch all-terrain tires ensure comfort and control. Bluetooth connectivity, a 2.4-inch color display, integrated LED lights, regenerative energy management, and multiple riding modes complete this versatile e-bike. The Pacific eBirdie is a smart folding electric bike designed for convenient city commuting and everyday travel. Its hydroformed aluminum H-series frame combines strength with a compact folding design, making it easy to carry, store, or transport. The bike also keeps the Birdie's famous front and rear suspension, providing a smooth and comfortable ride even on uneven roads. A lightweight MAHLE X30 rear hub motor delivers 45 Nm of torque through 3 pedal assist modes, offering reliable support during city rides and uphill climbs. The removable 171 watt-hours MAHLE iX1 battery weighs just over 1 kilogram and provides a riding range of around 30 to 60 kilometers under ideal conditions. It also works as a portable power bank. Hydraulic disc brakes, an 11-speed drivetrain, torque-sensing pedal assist, integrated lights, Schwalbe Big Apple tires, and MAHLE app connectivity complete this practical folding e-bike. The Segway Mushi is a smart electric bike designed to make everyday commuting easier, safer, and more convenient. It features a powerful 750-watt direct-drive rear motor that produces up to 80 Nm of torque, paired with a 717 watt-hour battery that delivers a riding range of up to 80 miles under ideal conditions. Intelligent riding features like traction control, hill start assist, hill descent control, regenerative braking, and adaptive power help improve stability and efficiency on different roads. Smart functions such as airlock automatic unlocking, GPS tracking, Apple Find My Support smartphone connectivity, and wireless software updates add extra convenience. A high-resolution TFT display shows navigation, battery level, ride data, and incoming calls, while hydraulic disc brakes, automatic lights, durable 20x3-inch tires, and a 418-pound payload capacity make it perfect for daily rides and carrying cargo. The Segway Mayon is designed to make daily commuting smarter, safer, and more enjoyable. It features a powerful 500-watt electric motor that delivers up to 85 Nm of torque, giving you smooth acceleration and strong performance. Its 48-volt 722 watt-hour battery provides a riding range of up to 80 miles under ideal conditions. Electronic Shimano Q shifting lets you change gears with the push of a button, while the Segway Mobility app allows you to adjust riding settings with ease. Smart features like automatic airlock unlocking, GPS tracking, Apple Find My Support, password protection, and wireless software updates add extra convenience. Built-in turn signals, adaptive headlights, brake lights, hydraulic disc brakes, rear-view radar, a bright HD display, and front suspension make every ride safer, smoother, and more comfortable. The specialized Turbo Vado 3 is built for riders who want a comfortable, reliable, and powerful electric bike for everyday use. Whether you're commuting to work, staying active, or enjoying long weekend rides, this e-bike delivers a smooth and enjoyable experience. Its specialized 3.1 motor produces up to 810 watts of peak power and 105 Nm of torque, providing strong and responsive pedal assistance. The integrated 840 watt-hour battery offers a riding range of up to 150 kilometers under ideal conditions. A customizable color display with USB-C charging keeps important ride information within easy reach. Smart features like Turbo System Lock, Apple Find My compatibility, and IP67 rated electronics add extra security and durability. An SR Suntour suspension fork, suspension seat post, Shimano Q's drivetrain, hydraulic disc brakes, integrated lights, full fenders, and a sturdy rear rack complete this versatile e-bike. The Superhuman Photon is an eye-catching electric bike that combines stylish design with everyday performance. Its unique glow-in-the-dark frame and wheel rims absorb sunlight and indoor light during the day, making the bike more visible at night without using any battery power. The lightweight aluminum frame offers easy handling, while the removable battery is neatly built into the frame for a clean, modern look. A 350-watt rear hub motor provides pedal assistance up to 28 miles per hour, and the responsive torque sensor delivers smooth, natural power with every pedal stroke. The Shimano gear system and hydraulic disc brakes ensure dependable performance and confident stopping. Puncture-resistant tires, integrated LED lights, and a bright LCD display add convenience, making the Photon an excellent choice for daily commuting and fun weekend rides. The Urtopia Carbon Atom is a lightweight yet powerful electric bike built for both daily commuting and weekend adventures. Its full T1000 carbon fiber frame offers outstanding strength while keeping the bike light and easy to handle. A 750-watt rear hub motor delivers up to 1,250 watts of peak power and 90 Nm of torque, providing quick acceleration and smooth hill climbing. The removable 802 watt-hours LG battery offers an impressive range of up to 95 miles under ideal conditions. For added comfort, the bike features an 80mm suspension fork, a suspension seat post, and puncture-resistant 26x2.4-inch Kenda tires. Tektro hydraulic disc brakes and a Shimano 8-speed drivetrain ensure excellent control. A torque sensor, throttle mode, integrated lights with turn signals, a brake light, a 3.5-inch color display, and UL-certified safety features complete this versatile e-bike. The Velotric Tempo is designed for riders who love the natural feel of a traditional bicycle but want the extra boost of electric power. Weighing just 39 pounds, or only 34 pounds without the removable battery, it's lightweight, easy to carry, and simple to handle in busy city traffic. A quiet 350-watt rear hub motor delivers up to 650 watts of peak power and 45 Nm of torque, while the 374 watt-hours battery provides a riding range of up to 60 miles under ideal conditions. Its unique sensor swap system lets you choose between torque sensing for a more natural ride or cadence sensing for effortless cruising. Additional features include Pulse Mode, Apple Find My, Google Find Hub support, NFC unlocking, a Bluetooth color display with USB-C charging, integrated lights, hydraulic disc brakes, and puncture-resistant tires.